Hello students, today I'm going to be reviewing how to determine the rhyme scheme of a poem. We learned about rhyme scheme briefly today in class, but I wanted to review it one more time so that you can have this video to look back at and also practice rhyme scheme. So what is rhyme scheme? It is the pattern of rhyme between lines of a poem, and we usually assign rhyming words with a letter like A, B, and C, and so on. So I'm going to read this poem by Robert Frost called Fire and Ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So obviously, if I was going to be analyzing this poem properly and fully, and thoroughly, then I would read this poem more than once, maybe even 3 times. And then I would go and start my soapstone. However, for this particular lesson, I am only going to do the rhyme scheme. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to look at the end of every line of the poem. So right now I'm just highlighting all of the words at the end of each line. Then you're going to determine what words they rhyme with. For example, fire is going to be given in A. Ice, well, ice does not rhyme with fire, so I'm going to give it the letter B because it's a different sound. Desire, okay, now I see that desire rhymes with fire, so I'm going to give it the same letter as fire, which is A. I hold with those who favor fire. Obviously, fire rhymes with fire and as well as desire, so I'm going to give it another A, because it all belongs in the same rhyme group. And next, but if it had to perish twice. Twice rhymes with ice, and therefore I'm going to assign this word with B. Next, hate. Hate is different. It doesn't rhyme with fire. It also does not rhyme with ice, so it has to be given a brand new letter, C. Ice. Ice rhymes with twice and ice, so I'm going to give it the B again. Next, great. Great happens to rhyme with hate, so I'm going to give great the letter C. And finally, suffice rhymes with ice, it rhymes with twice, and it rhymes with ice in the second line. So I'm going to give this line B. So basically the rhyme scheme in this poem is A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B. And this is just one little tiny step in the process of poem analysis. Thank you for listening, students. I hope you will practice this step every time we read new poems. Thank you.